Hi guys! Have you ever wondered where to find various roleplay items in Toca Boca? If so, then I got you. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find some basic roleplay items in Toca Boca. Let's go! Alright, so for the first item you gotta go to this house, right here. In the kitchen, you can find these aesthetic keys for your house. For this one, you need to go to the top floor of the hospital. It's here. It might be kind of broken, but as long as it works, right? So this next one is in this house right here. You can find the tray here. You can use it for breakfast in bedtime as scenarios. This next one is in the jungle. The flashlight is right here, as you can see. You can use it for roleplays when the electricity gets cut off. But it doesn't end there. Here are 2 sleeping bags for your roleplays. For this one, you'll need to visit the VVU University. So here are actually a lot of things that you can use for your roleplays, especially if there's children who go to school in them. And here is the lunchbox and a cute pencil case. So yeah, that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. See you in my next video.